In this video, let's try to understand what is the predicate delegate. Predicate delegate is a built-in delegate in C# that takes one input parameter of type T and returns a Boolean value. It is commonly used for evaluating the conditions such as searching, filtering, or checking criteria. Here, T represents the any input data type. So means that the predicate is the C# built-in delegate, which is always expects the one input parameter, only one input parameter. That input parameter could be anything, and always it returns the Boolean value. Okay, so what does mean? Predicate is expecting the only one input parameter. You see here, it is expecting the only one input parameter. And once if you design the predicate along with the anonymous method, that anonymous method should returns the Boolean value. That situations you have to use the predicate delegate. Okay, so the main key point is here, predicate delegate is useful for two condition checking. The predicate delegate is useful for methods that check whether a condition is met, commonly used in lists and in collections. So that means the predicate delegate, which is useful for to check the condition whether that is true or not. That anonymous method is returning the true or not. In case if the condition is satisfied, then that anonymous method should return the true. In case that should return to the false. So that situations we have to use the predicate delegate. And coming to the use case, since predicate is a generic delegate, it can be used with any data type, making it highly versatile for Boolean based logic. So in the next session, we will create the one predicate delegate in the program, how we can use this predicate delegate, how we check the condition with the help of the predicate delegate, and what are the advantages about the predicate delegate. So everything we will understand about this predicate delegate in the next session.